Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to create a storage directory that Mongo will need to store all its data. Mongo's default directory path is usually data/db in the directory in which Mongo was installed. So the drive, for example, if Mongo was installed in program file C, so it will require a data/db directory on the C drive. If you don't want to create it there, you can create it anywhere you like, but when you run MongoDB, you have to tell MongoDB where it should look or what it should use for a storage file. If you don't tell it by default, it will look in this directory. So we're going to create a directory called data/db. So open up your command prompt. Normally you can access the command prompt via the accessories folder. So there is an accessory folder here. Just right click and go run as administrator, and it should have administrator on the top followed by command prompt. So I want to navigate to the root of the C drive. So to navigate, you type in cd. Cd means change directory, and do a space, and then dot means move back one. Press enter. That will take you to the next level. You do cd again, space, dot, enter. That takes us to the C drive. So if you want to go one level up, you type in cd, and then you type the next directory. All right, so we're in the root of the C drive. This is where I want to create the storage directory. So type in the command md space. Md means make directory, space, you do a slash data/db and press enter, and that should create the directory. So if you now go to your C drive, you should see a folder there called data. That's my folder, and inside I've got db. So that's it for this lecture. We have created our storage directory for MongoDB. We've also created it where we expect MongoDB to look for it. If you decide you want to create it somewhere else, it's fine. Just that when you run MongoDB, you need to tell it to look in the location you've specified. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.